Hello, my name is Cristóbal Carnasbaí and I will present a few interesting facts about the UN. The United Nations was created in 1945 to prevent another mass conflict in the world such as World War I and World War II, due to the fact that humanity knew that it would not survive a World War III. The UN was formed between Franklin Roosevelt and Winston Churchill. It has several headquarters around the world, from which the most important ones per se are the following: New York, Geneva, and Rome. Its main bodies are the United Nations General Assembly, the United Nations Security Council, ECOSOC, and the ICJ, International Court of Justice. The organizational hierarchy is a Secretary General, currently Ban Ki-moon, and a Deputy Secretary General, currently Asha Roj Mijiro. It also has a General Assembly leader,